What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. I have experienced more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up your payment methods with your Google Chrome browser. To do that, we are going to click here and we need to click on the settings. On your left, we have the autofill and passwords. Under the autofill and password, we have the payment methods. Let's click at that so we can change some options. So here, first option, save and fill payment methods. You can fill in payment forms with your saved payments method. It's turned on by default, but if you want, you can turn it off. When you turn it off, there is more options like save security codes and core benefits is going to be turned off. I'm going to turn it on. And next, we have manually verify every time you pay using autofill. And let me read the description for you. When turned off, you may be asked occasionally to verify for security purpose. If you want, you can turn it on. And next, we have save security codes. You can check out faster when your CVCs are saved. There is MasterCard, and you can find this code on your MasterCard. And I'm going to show you here where you can find that. And save security codes, if you don't want to save security codes, you can turn it off. The card benefits, if you want to learn about card benefits, then you can click here. But if you don't want to see any card benefits and you don't want to learn about that, then you can turn it off. And next, we have this allow sites to check if you have payment methods saved. And it's good to be saved. I don't have to enter my card every time, so this option is turned on. It's going to save all my payment methods when I'm going to pay to any website. And here you can see to add or manage Google Pay payment methods, visit your Google account. Also, you can find this payment method under the Google account if you want to, so you can set up it right here. If you click here, it's going to open the Google account payment method, which for now I don't want to add anything, but if you want, you can just click here to set up that Google Pay payment method with your account. And here we have the payment methods which manually we can add whenever we want to pay to any website. We can use this, and if I click on add button, you can add the card number and the expiration date right here, the security, which is this one, and you can find this CVS which is right here, which was the security code CVCS, and you can find it on your card right here behind your card. And you can add here, which is optional, and you can add the name of the card and the card nickname. Whenever you want to pay to any website, maybe you want to purchase from Amazon or maybe from any other websites, then you can use this from here. So this is how we can set up the payment methods with our Google Chrome browser. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.